Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Entra SSO for Dynamics 365 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Sign in using your administrative credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Enterprise Applications option in the left-hand menu. In the Enterprise Applications pane, search for Dynamics 365. Click on the Dynamics 365 application from the list that appears. Next, select the Single Sign-On option in the left sidebar. In the Single Sign-On settings, look for the section labeled Basic SAML Configuration. Scroll down to find the Delete option. Click on Delete to remove the single sign-on configuration. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Now, return to the Enterprise Applications overview. Locate the Dynamics 365 application again. Click on it to access the application settings. In the application settings, navigate to the Properties section. Turn off the User Assignment Required option if it is enabled. Next, go back to the main dashboard. Select the Users and Groups section in the left sidebar. Find any users that are assigned to Dynamics 365 and remove their access. Click on the user, then select Remove User. Repeat this process for all assigned users. Once all users have been removed, go back to the main Enterprise Applications page. Find the Dynamics 365 application once again. Click on the Delete button at the top. Confirm the deletion of the Dynamics 365 application. Once completed, you have successfully uninstalled Microsoft Entra SSO for Dynamics 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.